Hi there. In this video, you will learn how people gossip at work and what to say to stop it.
Hey, Jack, did you hear the news?
No, what news?
About Lisa from accounting.
No, I didn't hear anything. What happened?
I heard she's having problems with the manager. People are saying she might be fired.
Really? Are you sure?
Well, that's what people are saying.
Who told you?
I don't remember exactly. Someone from the other department.
That sounds serious.
I know, it's crazy, right?
Yeah,
But don't tell anyone, okay?
of course. I won't say a word.
Good, I just wanted to tell you.
Hey guys, what are you talking about?
Oh, nothing important.
Just some office news.
Come on, tell me.
Well, we heard something about Lisa.
What about her?
People say she's in trouble with the boss.
Yeah, I've heard that one too. And that's not the only rumor about her.
Wait, what? What other rumors?
Hey, Nora.
Hi, Liam. What's up?
I feel bad for Lisa.
Why? What happened?
People are saying she has big problems at work.
Oh, really?
Yes, and they say she might leave soon.
I'm not sure about that.
But everyone is talking about it.
I understand, but I don't like talking about rumors.
It's just a little gossip.
I know, but I don't feel comfortable with it
Why not?
because it can hurt people.
Yeah, maybe you're right.
I prefer to talk about facts, not rumors.
Wow, that's what I like about Nora. She's different, in a good way.
Hey Nora, how's your day going?
It's going well, thanks.
You look a bit serious. Is everything okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Someone just tried to talk to me about gossip.
Ah, office gossip again. That happens a lot here.
I noticed that.
What did you say?
I told him I wasn't comfortable talking about it.
Good answer.
I don't want to be part of rumors.
That's very professional.
At work, you will sometimes hear gossip, but you don't have to join in. If someone tries to gossip with you, you can say, I don't feel comfortable talking about this. I prefer not to discuss rumors. Maybe we should change the topic. I'm not sure that's true. It's better to talk about something else.
And remember, you don't need to spread rumors to fit in.
Exactly. Hey there. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more useful English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.